Okay, we just came up. It's on top of the roof, composition shingles. Here's I can tell this is one layer. Looks like it's a relatively recent installation. Right over here, that's the weather sensor for the lawn sprinkler system, right there. Okay. Coming along here, we have a passive wind turbine. Now the garage has soffit vents, so this is an acceptable ventilation system. Trees touching the structure right here. By the way, the structure faces west, so this is the southwest corner of the garage. Coming along here, this is the patio on the west side of the house. I hope the camera can pick this up, but it's very shiny. This is a fiberglass corrugated roof covering system. They always leak. This one's leaking. I'm told that this one leaks when it rains, which basically should be expected. Okay, the rain gutters are all clogged with debris along here. And again, this is a roof covering over the patio is very worn. Okay, coming along here, we'll just move on along. So northeast corner of the garage, where the house and the garage meet right here, there's a little bit of a dead valley right in there. Coming down, moving around, getting closer to this. The siding, there should be a 2-inch gap between the siding and the flashing. So all this siding is too close. And apparently they've been, I can see they've been daubing this flashing with some sealant, probably when they replaced this roof. And all along, the vent pipes. The vent pipes are PVC. We got screens over the gable vents. And because this is a gable vent, this passive wind turbine shouldn't be there. You're probably getting some good benefit from it. Okay, the attic's probably cooler because these vents have been installed. But you're not supposed to mix venting systems, so while it may be performing, it's a technical foul. Coming along here on this flashing, okay, this is a rake edge. You got drip edge flashing in other places. But when this flashing laps, okay, the manufacturer says it's supposed to lap 10 inches, which it did not do. This is a little closer look at the roof cover, the patio, and just trying to show signs of, I hope the camera captures this, the signs of wear. Moving on along here. Okay, we have a cricket behind the fireplace. We have a brick fireplace chase. We have a cap on the sides of the fireplace right here, on both sides. But there should be kick-out flashing, flashing that throws the water away from the structure when it comes down around. The water's coming around this saddle. Okay, this cricket, and moving around. There's a kick-out flashing right here. They're expecting it, but it curls. Water can curl 3 inches by the time it gets back down here. Okay. Another thing about this flashing, if you'll notice this flashing right here. Okay. This is the way it's supposed to be lapped, like shingles, so that water goes past it. We get down here. Okay, can you see that? Okay, the flashing gaps are backwards around that step flashing there. There's a little bit of wave in the roof covering. It's pretty much normal, not normal, typical. A satellite dish should not be installed directly to the roof covering like that. You're supposed to have a special little bracket. The only place I've ever seen that bracket was in the illustration. So I've never seen that bracket in real life. But it's supposed to be there. And the only time I've ever seen it is the same illustration. It's going to be baked into your inspection report. I'm not seeing any impact damage. Okay? There's a little bit of scraping right here. Looks like somebody dragged something off the roof. Alright. It's probably not going to affect anything. Probably wouldn't hurt to come up here and pookie it, do a little patching. But we probably wouldn't change anything. Okay, so the siding's too close. Mismatched ventilation. No kick-out flashing. General condition of the patio roof. And the siding is too close. And that goes for this corner as well. I'll just walk around here. Goes for this corner as well. I'm going to say the roof is probably in the first third of an estimated 14-year service life average. It appears serviceable to me.